Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add game consoles to your Roku TV. Here's the step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. Connecting a game console like PlayStation, Xbox and Nintendo Switch to your Roku TV is super easy. First you have to follow the steps. That first one is find the HDMI ports on your Roku TV. Look at the back or side of your Roku TV. Locate the HDMI ports. They will say HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Then connect your game console. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your game console. Plug the other end into your available HDMI port on your Roku TV. Example for PS5, Xbox Series XS or Nintendo Switch, you just need to connect the HDMI cable one end with your console and another end with your Roku TV, and it is done. Then power on everything, turn on your game console, then turn on your Roku TV. Then select the correct HDMI input. On Roku TV, on your Roku remote, press the home button, then scroll down and select settings. Then go to TV inputs. Then choose the HDMI port where your console is connected. It's most important to select that correct HDMI port. Rename it, it's optional, to something like Xbox or PS5 for easy access. Or simply press input or source on your remote and choose the correct HDMI input. Now, step 5 is enable game mode, optional for better performance. Go to settings, then go to TV picture settings, then select the HDMI input connected to your console. Turn game mode on. This reduces input lag for a smoother gaming experience. Now start playing. Your game console should now display on your Roku TV screen. Enjoy gaming. Now here is the troubleshooting tips. Like if you are facing these problems like no signal detections, the solution is for this problem is check HDMI cable connection or try another HDMI port. Lag display. Turn on game mode in Roku TV settings. No sounds. Ensure TV volume is up and correct audio output is selected on the console. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.